Hi, I'm Dave. In a previous video I showed how I made a filter mask out of a CPAP mask, which has a nice silicone seal. But of course, if I use this one, I had to wear safety glasses too to protect the eyes. And I had people complaining that the engine filter in here isn't really rated for virus particles. It's not a Hepa filter. So I made an advanced version which really worked out well. So I started with a scuba mask. I bought this online for $30 and it's got the eye protection, nice rubber seal. And this is the Snorkel tube. And then I wanted to add a Hepa filter. And I found these Hoover vacuum Hepa filters, so 0.3 micron, and it's huge surface area, so it's plenty easy to breathe. So I just had to attach this Hepa filter to the scuba mask. Well, this piece twists off, has a nice silicone seal here. I got a 1-inch PVC adapter, wrapped some duct tape around it. This is actually a perfect fit right there, and it's got the silicone seal. So the duct tape was to get it to this size, and this just fits on there really nicely. So that's the airtight seal. And you just put this thing on, and you are good to go.